Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my 9th episode of Mukbang video. Today, we'll be eating barbecue brisket loaded fries from Del Taco. If you guys haven't seen my yesterday's video, please check it out. It's just me eating a taco salad, but this time I'm going to be eating a barbecue brisket with loaded fries. So what it basically has is just fries, brisket. Brisket just means beef if you didn't know what that is. So, and cheese. And basically just some sauce. So, here we go. I'm gonna try this out. 3, 2, 1, cheers. So good. The barbecue sauce is sweet, and cheese is melted, and the brisket is good. Okay, on my next video, so as I was saying, I was gonna do Panda Express mukbang video on my next video, but I wanted to try something new. So I thought, why not try this out? Done. Okay, so that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for new videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.